Hello, my name is Nikhil Rastogi, and in this video tutorial we will see how to download and install Eclipse. So in this page we can see there is a download option available. So we will simply download and install. So I already downloaded my file, which is this. So I will just click in this file. It will take about near to 2 and 3 minutes. So in this page we will choose the enterprise edition. So we will choose this. So as you can see, there is the install option is available. So we will click on this. And there is a requirement of JDK. JDK must be greater than or equal to 8 version. As you can see, this is successfully installed. So now you can see Eclipse successfully installed. So I already opened this, so you can see there is a blank page. So what we'll have to do? So first we have to download another file which name is MySQL connector Java. What is this file? So this is file like a driver which allow us to connect database using Java. So we simply download this. So this is page that there we can download, and after download we have to extract this file in our any folder. So we simply extract there. I extracted this file in the picture folder. As you can see, this is the folder, and these are JDK Java files which will we use. So first, now what we have to do? First we will create a project. A project name is I am just typing open. Sorry. Okay, project name is open. So finish. Now module name is also open. So now I have created a new project open. So as you can see, there is JRE library. So this is predefined library which is standard library of Java. So but we have to add another library which allow us to use features which allow us to communicate with database like SQL or Oracle. So we are talking about SQL, MySQL. So we will create a new package. So package name also I'm going open. So new class, and then class name also open. I'm just making capital. Finish. So as you can see, package open, and public class. So I already created a program which show us the feature of database is working or not. So as you can see in this program, why I sorry, there is some mistake. uh, Bracket is missing, I think. So okay, now we can see in this program we will see if any exception occur to, so this line will not be run, and exception line will be run, which is defined in catch. As you can see, GFJ means this line is run. That means exception is occurred. So what we have to do to bypass this exception and or handle this exception? So we will simply go to build path and configure, and then library, class path, add external jars. So where we stored jar file, as we see, so we just apply and close. Now we have to do one more thing. What is, so we build path, configure build path, and now we go to JRE, we double click on JRE system library. So you can see, so we will click execution environment. So finish, apply and close. Now we will run another time. So as you can see, that means try after class.forName line, GF line is run. So this is all about of database, how to connect MySQL using JDK. Thank you.